Hello everybody, and welcome to my portfolio presentation for Module 10. I guess we'll go ahead and go through it and kind of look at it, and then I'll finally just play it at the end. So I guess let's go. Here I just try to start with bringing my name and the digital artist up from both sides. And then as they split, I want to try to kind of give it a flash point or some sort of effect when it goes to split. And then we get into the introduction to welcome to my portfolio. Thought it would be kind of cool to have the software coming flying up from 0 scale to fully fitting the screen. Kind of pop back at you and spin back around to disappear and allow the Adobe Illustrator to come in. And then added on some other effects with the logo design coming in. And I decided to stick in a logo design I did for a local video film company where I live. I did have the same color of the Adobe Illustrator background behind it, but it kind of blended too well, so I figured the white would match up a little bit better. So I think it turned out pretty good. And then I love that little shutter effect there. That's pretty neat. These here, I had 3 Photoshop emblems coming in, the icons. They were intended to come into different areas and then end up there on the left and stay in position. They don't come in as quick and out, in and out as quick as I would like them to, but that was kind of the intention behind that. I love this little effect here. It's a project I did in, I think it was Color Theory. But that was a pretty fun project. See the reference on the left and my rendering on the right. And then I use the same effect to bring in one more Photoshop composite that I did with the tiger in the little river. And I like that little spinning effect. I think it adds some good flavor. This is another Photoshop image that I'd done. Thought it was pretty neat. It came from just a simple image of a horse statue. I got it at a golf course somewhere. But after I started manipulating, I thought it was kind of neat because these little creature here kind of came into vision. And then of course up here, there's the same thing. I had to manipulate this here a little bit more to kind of get that face, but I thought that was pretty neat. And I moved into the After Effects. It's definitely a little more difficult program to deal with, but I definitely enjoyed it, especially making this PSA announcement for social distance, something we should all be practicing. And then a final little effect I did in After Effects I thought was pretty neat, with the neon lights kind of coming on randomly and then giving a little pop and then disappearing, kind of shutting off. It was definitely a fun project. Could be more in depth, but I think it turned out fairly decent. So let's go ahead and see if we can get a watch of that from the beginning and see how you guys like it.